Welcome back to my mixology channel, Mixology 640. And right now, right here, we're going to be preparing some ladies' choice French Martini. That's what we're going to be doing, some French Martini. You see what we have here? Chambord. Classic Chambord. And we got here vodka, organic vodka, all the way from France, 5-time distillation. That's what we're gonna be using right here, right now. So we're gonna start. Let's get right into it, okay? Shot glass right here. So what we're gonna be doing right now, we're gonna put a 1.5 ounces of vodka, just like this inside. Okay? I'm gonna go and get our Chambord. We're gonna put 1/2 ounces of Chambord, just like this, inside. Alright? Beautiful stuff. Gonna be beautiful stuff. And then we're gonna go and get our pineapple juice. And then we're gonna put 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice inside, just like this. Okay? That's what it is. And then we're gonna get our ice, frozen ice, just like this in our glass. Then we're gonna shake it up. We gotta shake it vigorously. Remember, French Martini. Alrighty? Ladies' choice. That's what it is. Alrighty? This is our Martini glass. At home, you can put it in your fridge, you can chill it. This was in the fridge. You can put some ice inside of it. You can get it nice and frosty. Then we're gonna pour it just like this inside our glass. See exactly what we're doing right here. Alright? Just like this. French Martini. Then we're gonna get, this is orange peel right here. We're gonna get it nice, fragrant, fresh. We're gonna go right here and we're gonna get our nice, you can see exactly what I'm doing right here. And we're gonna like the rind. Open the rind inside of it, right? Just like this inside. And then we're gonna get our garnish, my sexy garnish. As you can see what I have right here. We're gonna put it right, just like this, in the glass. And that we have right here, right now. What we got? French Martini. Do enjoy. Follow me, Instagram, YouTube, Mixology 640. I'm out. Have a blessed one. Love. Peace. Bye.